कोई सेल नहीं आए, आई वुड से दैट प्लीज डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट. Let your presence be created. If your presence is created, people have accepted the product in a while. एक बार वो product आपके लोगों के cupboard तक आ गया, तो you can increase your categories there. But let the presence be created very organically. Do not rush selling in a new market. Say partner ecosystem setup is the other point. कि शायद इंडिया में आपने एक certain logistic, एक certain payment और एक certain online store के combination से अपना business run कर रहे होंगे. It's very important that you don't exactly replicate the three partners in a different region, because localization problems are one of the biggest blocker in terms of when you scale in a different market. I have seen brands who have failed due to this because शायद delivery partner centralized था, तो delivery durations in one region has been different, but in a different region has been inversely large. So I would say pick up localized partners who are expert in their industries and have the ecosystem set up from there. I remember we cracking Shopify is a classic example that Shopify पे बहुत complaints थी कि platform पे GST numbers लोग input नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, या इंडिया के मार्केट में कैश ऑन डिलीवरी के लिए एक मुझे प्री वैलिडेशन चाहिए, चाहे वो फ़ोन कॉल से हो या OTP से हो, या फिर यार अगर मैं प्रीपेड ऑर्डर्स दूँ तो मुझे 5% का डिस्काउंट ऑफर कर रहा है ताकि लोग मुझे एडवांस पेमेंट कर दें. नाउ दीज सिस्टम्स आर वेरी लोकल लेवल प्रॉब्लम्स. अ डिफरेंट ज्योग्राफी कैन हैव COD शायद एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता उनकी, शायद उनके लॉकर सिस्टम एग्जिस्ट करता हो, वो ऑफिस से निकलते हुए लॉकर से पिक करे चले जाए. इंडिया में एक्सप्रेस शिपिंग एग्जिस्ट करता है, यार 3 दिन में चाहिए, 2 दिन में चाहिए, 1 दिन में चाहिए. सो आई वुड से वेन एवर यू आर एंटरिंग इन टू अ न्यू मार्केट, ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई द लोकलाइज्ड प्रॉब्लम्स किसने सॉल्व करी है and go with those integrations. Overall आपका business अलग अलग regions में exist करेगा, but it can only be with each localized player from one region. Don't go global with the same level. My personal with Marmato when we work, there are brands who have gone in Southeast Asia and expanded, and we say that hey, we might not be the best partner for your technology there. कहने के लिए शायद वहाँ भी आप Shopify यूज़ करो, वहाँ भी आप Payoneer यूज़ करो, ShipRocket यूज़ करो. But maybe the kind of localization problems that exist, we might not be the best players to be there to help. So choose your localized partners, groom with them, grow with them. That's the best way and the most stable way of growing. Then comes expansion. I would say that I was talking about presence creation the earlier time. Presence creation का next level comes expansion कि मेरा एक product आपके पास अगर आ गया, वो ट्रस्ट और क्रेडिबिलिटी बन गई, तो मैं फिर अपनी वेराइटीज़ लॉन्च कर सकता हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस जो आप इंडिया मार्केट में भी देखते हो. मैं एम कैफीन की जर्नी पिक करूँगा. इफ यू सी नाउ दे हैव लॉन्च लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 40 डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट वेरिएशंस एंड इट ऑल स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम वन. एंड एनी ब्रांड हैज द सेम जर्नी दैट आई पिक अप 1, 2 or 3 प्रोडक्ट्स. आई बिल्ड माई ट्रस्ट एंड क्रेडिबिलिटी नॉट ऑन द प्रोडक्ट बट ऑन द ब्रांड. और एक बार मेरी ब्रांड क्रेडिबिलिटी है तो मैं जो भी पिच कर रहा हूँ वो मार्केट में एक्सेप्ट हो रहा है. पीपल हैव ऑफन रश्ड टूवर्ड्स सेलिंग द प्रोडक्ट. पीपल ऑफन रश टूवर्ड्स कि शायद मेरा ब्रांड वैल्यू बहुत डीप नहीं बना है, बट सिंस मेरी प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी छोटी है, पीपल आर नॉट ट्रस्टेड. आई वुड से प्लीज डोंट गो इन दिस मिथ. देर आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ब्रांड्स दैट हैव scaled from 5 SKUs and gone global. There are examples of brands that have gone 2 SKUs and gone global and have gone humongous. There are companies that had one feature as a product and that have led by investors acquired. So market हर जगह same है. Product variations will not be a blocker in your case. You need to have expansion only when you are confident that your presence creation has been very, very robust. And definitely once you have expanded, you can diversify and you can grow whichever direction you want. So these are some of the common roadmap blockers that we have observed working across brands, and when we club it all together, it was very natural कि हाँ यार, this is how businesses have been. I have been talking to brands and they say कि यार Saurabh, we often miss that हम भी consumers हैं. When you are building a brand, definitely you might not be consumer for that particular brand because you are making consumers to someone else, but आप उसके साथ साथ 50 चीज़ों के consumers खुद हैं. So don't miss that fact that you yourself are power of a consumer. Think that way, and I think these are not something very, very new facts that have been brought through. Awareness in सब की थी. It just needs a tap that okay, someone किसी ने tap कर दिया कि नहीं यार बढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं. So that was. The same thing is about analyzing CPM. पहले I would pick up product, market and consumers में what earlier used to happen was there was the sources for the data for this, that what is going to work or not work in a new market was very limited. They were very people centered, they were very article centered, they were very, will wait for this expert to say that, बहुत ऑन अ वेरी लेमन एग्जांपल मैं बोलूँ कि मूवीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करते हैं, पहले रिव्यूज़ पे क्रेडिबिलिटी जानने के लिए यूज टू ओनली आस्क किसी ने हमारे नेटवर्क में लिया है कि नहीं. लाइक इवन till date a common example is that when you want to buy a phone, the first thing is to ask all your friends that, hey, is this phone working or not? I would say in today's world that point has expanded. You have enormous ways to understand whether something is working or not, whether I should invest in or not. Consumers के reviews की power इतनी है कि वो directly visible है market में, and there are 100 sources to understand. Marmato till now has not got a very expensive sales team, but we have worked, and that's available in all the WhatsApp groups of D2C communities, that are we doing good work or bad work. So consumers have that experience. It's not very person centered, it's not very audit centered. You don't have to wait for 2-3 people to hear from them and say that whether you trust or not. For all of these things, काफ़ी tools आ गए हैं market में, and there are a lot of automation that is happening. I would say trust those tools rather than people. Please डाइवर्सिफाई ऑन दिस. इन सब के बारे में डिफरेंट मार्केट्स में कौन से टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं हमारी टीम भी बता देगी. वी कैन हेल्प यू कनेक्ट विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु विल नॉट नो कि यार ये टूल ये डेटा आपको ऑलरेडी बता देता है. कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर किस रीजन में क्या है, किस प्रोडक्ट के लिए कंज्यूमर सेंटिमेंट्स क्या हैं, कैसी पैकेजिंग वर्क करेगी नहीं करेगी, कौन सा नोशन आपको लग रहा है कन्विंसिंग है लेकिन यार एक्स मार्केट में काम नहीं करेगा, व्हाट यू शुड डू नॉट डू. यू नीड नॉट फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस think or rely on very specific data points. There are too many tools जो बहुत ही handy है and they will help you understand. So I think rely on tools, not on people, is one that for us also we say कि we have been working very hard and consumer says that store speed दिख नहीं रही तो यार तुम्हारे हार्ड का क्या मतलब. And I feel that that's fair point. I would say rely on tools, वो सही data देंगे. They are not emotions. People are emotional in those things. Now we say presence creation. If you are talking presence creation, किस तरह से हो सकता है? The top 3 ideas could be that you create your own store. Picking up my example, rent a house. Okay. Now let all the people around your houses know that I am existing, and then start your marketing from there. Do not expect performance marketing to drive sales for at least 2 quarters. Let them sink in, let the consumers accept it, because you are entering a new region. See, me entering into from a Hindi speaking region, primary Hindi speaking into a Hindi speaking region, still adaptations can be quick. But you moving into a region where the lifestyle is very different, economic systems are very different, social systems are very different, it has to take time. So you need to give your performance marketing team also that time to sink in. And there are enough examples that people might have not grown exponentially in 6 months, and the other 3 months have been shorter, rather 1 month has been shorter, and then there has been a month-on-month growth. So that's important in terms of presence creation. Partner ecosystem, like I said, pick up the right logistic partners. That do they have the last mile delivery system or not? Who are they tied up with in terms of getting the last mile delivered? What kind of delivery slabs are they offering? What are the unit economics on it? Pick up payments की localized solutions कैसे offer करें. How easy it is for me to collect payments from different regions as a merchant, and how easy it is for consumers from different regions to pay to my brand as a customer. This gap has to be filled. He is also doing a lot of activities on it. You will hear, you have heard something in the past, you will hear also in future. And I think rely on those localized solutions. Don't go universally with the same partner. And it lies on inventory and warehouse management, it goes on omnichannel management, it even goes to the tech partners that you work with. So this is something that I would say localization is the right answer to this. Definitely clubbing all of this together, you either step forward into growth or you step back into safety, that you know इतनी चीज़ें नहीं करनी है अगर इसमें से कुछ गलत जाती है तो. But with our personal analysis, this has helped brands grow good in global markets. It has helped brands scale well in global markets. and we have enough case studies and enough examples to prove that. We have our booth there, and like we said, we have a lean team there. So if we are not able to address most of the queries today, we might definitely go back home and then reach you tomorrow. So please have patience, you can reach us and we will be happy to assist. So this is what I have to say. Thank you.